Hello viewer, in this tutorial I am gonna show you the basic structure of HTML and will explain a little bit for every single tag. Let's take a notepad. Open it. Remember one thing, every single tag of HTML has two parts, start tag and end tag. And the root element tag of HTML is called HTML. This is the start tag of HTML and this is the end tag of HTML tag. Within this tag, there are three main parts of HTML. First one is called head, end tag of head. Second part is called body, and the third part is footer. Within HTML, we declare meta information of the website, which is very important for SEO, and we are using title of website within this head tag. Let's see an example. Save this notepad and change its extension. Make it HTML and open it. So this is my current web page that I create into my notepad. Open it. Notepad. Here I'm gonna declare title within this head tag. My website. Here we can see by default title is showing file name which is mywebsite.html. Now I'm gonna change it by giving a title name within this title tag which is my website. Save it and refresh this page. Here we can see title is changed. Next is body part. Within this body part, we will declare every single HTML tag that we need for our website. It can be headers, paragraphs, hyperlink, tables, images, and lists, etc. For example, I am going to declare a single tag which is P. P means paragraph. This is P tag. Save it and refresh this page. So here it is. And then the last part of HTML tag is footer, where we declare our footer related tags. Let's see the real life example of HTML tags. Go to gmail.com. This is the official page of Google or Gmail. What we can see here, every single thing is made by HTML and all are within HTML body tag. And at the end, we can see some text inside the footer tag. Let's see it from inspect or inspect element. Let's open head tag. Here we can see meta tags within this head tag and also Google use title, Gmail, email from Google. Here it is. And they also add images what they need for their website within this head tag. And then within body tag they use all the elements what they need, say image, paragraph, hyperlink, tables, list, etc. within this body tag. And last one is footer. This so this is the basic structure of a HTML page. When we go to another page, say forward, here we also can see the body part of the HTML and footer part at the end of this website. So this is the basic structure of HTML. In my next tutorial, I will show you the uses of some important tags of HTML. Subscribe our channel and stay with us. Thank you.